In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate deal flow in HubSpot, all in just 5 minutes. Perfect for those of you looking to streamline your sales process and save loads of time. First, you'll want to start by logging into your HubSpot account. Ensure you've got those login details at the ready so you can access your dashboard swiftly. Once you're in, navigate over to the left sidebar and look for the Automations tab. This is where all the magic starts to happen. Next, once you click on Automations, you'll want to go ahead and click on Workflows. This section allows you to create automated processes that help manage your deals and contacts in an efficient manner. Click on Workflows, and you'll then be met with an option to create a new workflow. There should be a Create Workflow button, which you need to click to get started with setting up your custom automation. Now, a crucial decision needs to be made. You are going to choose between a contact-based or deal-based workflow. For this demonstration, let's explore a deal-based workflow, which is a great way to track and manage deals as they evolve. Once you've made your choice, select the option from scratch. This will give you a blank canvas to customize and build your workflow according to specific needs. Moving forward, you'll need to set up your trigger. This is going to be the condition that starts your automation. There are various filter criteria you can choose from. For instance, you might use something like form submission if you want the workflow to kick off when someone fills out a form, or perhaps deal name if you'd prefer to associate it with a specific deal entry. Once your trigger is configured, it's time to define the action steps. Here, you're going to add an action to create record. Make sure you select deal as the record type. Set the specifics of your deal, including the deal name, pipeline, and stage. This ensures that every time the trigger happens, the correct details are automatically populated, keeping everything tidy and consistent. To add more dynamism to your workflow, you can use tokens. These tokens allow information like the contact's name to be automatically included in various steps, providing a personalized touch without the extra manual input. As you near completion, consider adding another action to send internal email notifications. This is pivotal for keeping your team informed. Whenever a new automated action occurs, your team receives a prompt email update, ensuring they're always in the loop. Before you wrap it all up, ensure your workflow is turned on. There should be an option to switch it from draft to active. It's what allows the automation to commence and continue to operate seamlessly. And there you have it, all the foundational steps set to automate your deal flow in HubSpot. This setup is a fantastic way to streamline your processes and free up valuable time for more strategic tasks. Thanks for tuning in and happy automating.